Hi, I'm Andronicus Timasakat, a Bachelor of Science in Information Technology student at Polytechnic University of the Philippines, Taguig Campus. I'm currently a development intern at PG+. I possess a diverse technical skill set with proficiency in programming languages such as Python, PHP, SQL, TypeScript, HTML, and CSS. I am adept at utilizing development tools including Visual Studio Code, PyCharm, Figma, Git, Jupyter Notebook to streamline and enhance project workflows. Additionally, I have hands-on experience working with the frameworks such as Angular, Django, React to develop responsive, user-centric web and mobile applications. Currently, I'm also expanding my expertise by learning Flutter and the Dart programming language to further strengthen my skills in a cross-platform mobile development. Among the projects I have worked on are VRZN Bank, a responsive web-based banking application where I specialize in front-end development and implemented comprehensive testing strategies to ensure optimal performance and usability. Another significant project is the SpaceShare, a platform designed to connect tenants and property owners where I utilize Angular and Basic UI to develop user-centric features and applied automated testing through the UI path to ensure quality and reliability. I'm passionate about technology, about learning, and about building solutions that can make a difference. I am excited to keep growing as a developer, contribute my skills to impactful projects, and work with innovative teams. I look forward to the opportunities ahead.